Hey fellas, so she's put together the frame and everything. I'm sorry that I haven't filmed all of it. There's like things that we need to be more people on, um, so to get it running and stuff. So I can tell a little bit about what I've done this far. We've painted the exhaust with exhaust paint. The manifolds, I had to make some new. I'll probably show a picture somewhere. I had to make some new rings for the seal because one of them broke. So I made something out of some aluminum I had lying around. I think it's like 61 T6 aluminum. So 82 T6. So it's gonna be a race car. Got the power steering pump all painted and done for, and all of the steering is on. Yeah, so the steering assembly is almost finished. We got to take some or order some parts for that. The end rods or the rod ends. We I got the holders for the spark plugs all good. So I just painted them and used some I don't know what they're called, the shrink wrap for like wires and stuff, and shrinked it around so it would protect the wires. The engine is completely finished. Got the temp sensor in and wired. Borrowed a air filter, air cleaner from my neighbor. I gotta order one of those. I don't know what we'll go for, but we'll see. So the next things now are probably like boring stuff, like putting on some handbrake stuff. I got a list over there. We'll see. It's in Norwegian, but I'll translate it. Buy a new air cleaner, and I don't know if anybody has like understands how I could make the kickdown on the Paraglide be like with the new Edelbrock carb, because it's, I don't know exactly how this thing works. There's some levers and stuff here, so if anybody has some links or knows how to properly get that up with it's a Edelbrock 1404 500, but all the 1400 series are just about the same. So yeah, it's not that much handbrake stuff, and put some new grease in all the fittings and nipples and stuff. But she starts pretty damn good now that we got all this stuff running, and we messed up the firing order as always. It's a hassle, but got it working. The thing was that it was like running on only 7 cylinders because I got a IR thermometer, and I saw that number 2 was running cold because first of all it was like 80 degrees Celsius and the others were like 100 and or like 200. and 30 or something. And we messed things up and stuff, and then we used the lamp, timing lamp, and we saw that the mark for the down on the crank was like 90 degrees off, and then we had like switched on like the first and fourth cylinder because it was 9 degrees. But it's running pretty damn good now. Got every vacuum hose on. We'll see if she'll start now. She's a bit cold, but she's picking up. So it's pretty cool to just push a button, see that everything works. Filled up the power glide. Used about I don't remember how much oil we used, but she is full. I gotta put on the other side of the for the exhaust mount. Got that one finished here. Some parts, and we'll actually begin looking at, or we have ordered, and they're probably coming next week. Today's the 19th, I think. So what we have to do here is we have to, I'll shut off the engine so you can hear me better. So what we have to do here is we need to cut out the driver's side floor pan, because yeah, you can probably get a screwdriver through there. And there's stuff in the trunk. You need to weld pretty much a good pieces around here. There's what's left of a body mount, and we got a hole there. We got some other holes there. This entire back half will weld in some new sheet metal, and they're pre-stamped, so it's just cut it out and weld in the new pieces. So I hope we'll get that probably next week. So like this is like my main objective, and that's my dad's, because I like to do the mechanic stuff, and he's a little bit better welder than I am. But I think I'll probably use a couple of hours here too to weld some stuff up. So yeah, she's in some better days. But that was just a update on how long we've or how far we've come. And I'll post as much as I can. So yeah, I'm gonna just fire her up and give her some revs, because it's fun to just have it all done. And she's very snappy too. So yeah, if anybody knows how to do the kick down stuff, that would be much appreciated. And as always, It's appreciated if y'all like and comment, and of course subscribe if I want to see more. I'll try to post as much as I can. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.